And today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve joining server on Roblox. To know how to fix or how to solve joining server on Roblox, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to the window of Roblox and you can click. Here you can click on force stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.